Hello and welcome to Uline Commercials video series. In this video, we will walk you through the thawing cycle on your Uline blast chiller and shock freezer. Let's begin. To start, plug your unit in. It will then begin to power on. Once the unit is on, the standby screen will then appear. Once you are on the standby screen, push and hold down the power button until you see "Please wait." Once you are on the home page, select the More button. After you press the More button, this page will appear. Continue by pressing the Thawing button. The Thawing in Progress window will appear. Click on the Play button to continue. If you would like to return to the home screen, simply hit the Stop button. You will need to determine if you want a time-based or temperature-based thaw. For a time-based thaw, leave the red X in the box next to the food probe line. For a temperature-based thaw, click on the red X and it will change to a green check mark. If you select a temperature-based thaw, once all selections are made, click OK and the next screen will prompt you to insert the probe. The cycle will then begin. Once the cycle has begun, this details page will appear. You will see the food temperature, air temperature, time the cycle has been running, the end cycle temperature, the air set temperature, and the time remaining on the cycle. Once the cycle is completed or has reached the selected temperature, a flag will appear on the screen and the unit will beep every second. If the screen is touched, the unit will no longer hold the preservation temperature and will no longer beep. To return to the home screen, click on the Stop button. If you see that the thawing button is grayed out on this screen, you will need to turn the thaw function on. To do so, click on the Service button. Once you click on the Service button, the password page will appear. Enter password 2810. Then press OK. After you press OK, the service screen will appear. Click on Optional. On the Optional screen, press the X next to the Heating button. The red X will then turn into a green check mark. Once you see the green check mark, click the Home button and then click the More button. On this page, you should see the Thawing button is now clickable and you can continue with running a thawing cycle. Thank you for joining us. For more information, visit uline.com/commercial.